Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm fabricating up a mount for the roof of the van so I can put a solar panel up there. So let's take a look at how I'm going to do this. So this is the old bracket that was on the ladder rack on the van. I decided to repurpose these. I'm going to use these to put my solar panel on the roof. I cut the top off of it so that I've got a usable piece here that'll bolt back onto the original mounts on the roof. So after some welding, I got my brackets welded onto some angle iron to build the roof rack for the solar panel. And I also got my cross braces all drilled and cut and painted up. So we're going to go ahead and start installing this. Okay, so now I'm installing the cross pieces onto the solar panel. And these will go on and be bolted to the panel. So one of the things that I installed on the van earlier in the build is the weatherproof connector on the roof for the wires for the solar panel. I had to put this in before we did the ceiling so I had access to it. So that's what the bracket looks like when it's bolted to the roof. And of course we've got one on this side also. Now to get the panel and get it on. Okay, so the solar panel is on, bolted, tightened up, and the wires are connected. Now let's go take a look at the solar charge controller. Okay, so we're down here in the basement. We're looking at our top solar charge controller, and we have all three lights on, but we have no load. We just got the battery and the solar. So let's take a look and see what today's cloudy day is producing here. 13.3 volts, and that's the gel battery. 1.8 amps, 14.2 volts. So yeah, it seems to be working. So here's the top solar charge controller. Now, one thing that have always been told about these, and I don't know if you can see it or not, but I've actually got it shimmed away from the wall with 1/4-20 nuts. So there is an airspace behind it so the air can flow around it to keep it cool. So yeah, that's how I installed the top solar kit on my van. Take a look at the cost on all of this. The solar panel kit from Top Solar was $109.99. The weatherhead, or the thing that the wires go through up on the roof, was $9.99. The AGM battery was $170. All the metal and everything for the roof rack that I built was $39.12. Had about $8 in miscellaneous hardware, so that brought it up to $337.10. So that brought us up to the grand total on the van build price at this point is $2,270.54. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, and we'll see you guys soon in the next video.